Why learn kanji with LingoDeer?
LingoDeer is designed for language learners aiming to master Japanese, including the challenging kanji characters. Its interactive lessons and gradual approach make kanji less intimidating, whether you're a beginner or brushing up your skills. Using a well-structured app like LingoDeer helps you build lasting kanji knowledge in a fun and manageable way.
Setting up for success.
Begin by downloading and installing LingoDeer. When starting Japanese, select the appropriate level. Beginner is recommended if you're new to kanji. Set daily learning goals with the app's reminders and explore the lesson layout to get familiar with the kanji syllabus and review features.
Mastering kanji step by step.
LingoDeer organizes kanji lessons by topic and usage. Work through kanji sections one at a time. Each lesson highlights strokes, readings, and example words. Pay close attention to stroke order and pronunciation. LingoDeer provides audio and visual cues to reinforce both. Practice writing kanji by hand alongside lessons for extra retention.
Using review and quizzes.
Regular review is essential for kanji mastery. Use LingoDeer's review mode to revisit previously learned kanji with spaced repetition. Challenge yourself with built-in quizzes to reinforce readings, meanings, and stroke order. If you make mistakes, the app tracks tricky kanji, allowing you to focus on weaker areas.
Tips for long-term kanji success.
Consistency is key. Even 10 to 15 minutes daily adds up. Combine LingoDeer lessons with real-world practice, like reading signs or labeling items at home. Celebrate milestones using LingoDeer's progress tracking. Remember, learning kanji is a marathon, not a sprint. Stick with your routine and progress will follow.